Hello! In this tutorial, we're going to solve questions related to the electrical circuits. Let's start with the first question. Figure 2 shows a current potential difference graph of a fixed resistor. The question asks to calculate the resistance of the fixed resistor R1 and give its unit. So how can we solve such a question? Think of it. In order to solve this exercise, let's recall how we can calculate the resistance for a fixed resistor. Recall Ohm's law, U is equal to Ri, and by arranging this equation, we obtain that R is equal to U divided by I, where U is the potential difference and I is the current. So this equation resembles the slope for the obtained graph in figure 2. The slope for figure 2 is equal to the potential difference divided by the current. And how can we find a slope for a given graph? Yes, we should first of all assign 2 points on this graph, and then we find the difference in their y coordinates divided by the difference in their x coordinates. So, let's take a point A on this graph with coordinates of 0.4 amperes from the x-axis corresponds to 8 volts on the y-axis, and point B with coordinates of 0.3 amperes on the x-axis corresponds to 6 volts on the y-axis. Then the slope, it's the difference in the y-coordinates divided by the difference of the x-coordinates, it's equal to 8 minus 6 divided by 0.4 minus 0.3. This gives an answer of 20. And recall the unit for the resistance. Yes, the unit is ohms. So the resistance of the fixed resistor R1 is equal to 20 ohms. That's all. Let's proceed to the second part.